link first. So this one, we're going to solve exponential equations. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to rewrite the bases. All right, so those big numbers, we're going to rewrite those because we want them to be the same. If we get the bases to be the same, then we can set the exponents equal to each other. All right, so let me show you the first one. Do you see the base that's on the left side? Do you guys see that 4? So is there a way I could rewrite 256 with 4 to some power? So what's 4 to the first power? 4. What's 4 to the second power? 16. What's 4 cubed? That's to the third power. 64. What's 4 to the fourth power? 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. What up? Hector did it. 4 to the fourth power is 256. So I can rewrite 256 as 4 to the fourth power. Now, was there something else that was already in that exponent? Yes, there was, right? Do you guys remember the 2x minus 4? You've got to bring that down. Thanks, Donovan. I'm going to pause here for a second. Is everyone okay what I just did? So Hector used his resources. He used his calculator to figure out 4 to what power makes 256. Now, do you guys see? So, go ahead. All right. Now, do you see this original power? We need to distribute my new power onto both of those. So we're going to be multiplying that 4 times 2x and minus 4. So what's 4 times 2x? 8x. And what's 4 times negative 4? Negative 16. This one I'm just going to keep writing down. Okay, this is where I get really excited. Put a little check mark there. Because when I get here, I'll zoom in on it. When I get here, what do you notice about the bases? They're the same. So once the bases are the same, you can set these exponents equal to each other. Or as I say, you drop the base. Okay? So do 2x minus 4 equals 8x minus 16. What happens to my bases? They're gone. Because when the bases are the same, the exponents have to be equal to each other. So you don't, exactly. Now this is, we've entered into something you would have done in your 9th and 10th grade year. Okay? So we're going to solve for x. All right? So I want to move this 2x over. It's okay. It's not actually wrong.
Wait, would I get the same answer?
You would. Do it. I just like, personally, Emmanuel, I like to have positives in front of my variables, but it doesn't matter. How do I move the negative 16 over? Add it. What up? Running out of room here. I'm sorry. So now I have 6x equals, what's negative 4 plus 16? Positive? Positive? Positive 12. So x equals, x equals 2. What up? All right, I'm going to pause. Any questions on this first one? The answer is 2, yes. So I'm going to go over the process again. Rewrite your bases so they end up being the same number. Rewrite your bases so they end up being the same number. Once that happens, then you can drop the bases and just set the exponents equal to each other. That one hurt a little bit. That was a good one. That was good. Let's just stop. When actually Bella's going after Natalia, right? Do you want to watch this? Yeah, we'll sort it out soon. Let's do number 2. Number 2, are the bases the same? No, they're not. Right? I see 6 and I see 36. Can we rewrite one of those with the other one? Yes, which one? 36. How would you rewrite 36 with a 6? 6 to the second power. What up, Luke? 6 to the second power is 36. So I'm going to rewrite that. Don't forget to put parentheses. Don't forget to put parentheses. So that way you know you do need to distribute at this point. guys all right? Okay. Let's distribute the 2 times each of those. So what is 2 times 2x? 4x. And what's 2 times negative 3? Negative 6. Bring down the other one. And I've hit my checkpoint. Once I get here, I'm going to set these exponents equal to each other. So the bases are gone. I'll do it the other way this time, Emmanuel. I'll do it your way. I'm going to move the 4x over with subtraction and get the opposite of x equals negative 6. Do I want the opposite of x? No. If the opposite of x is negative 6, what is x? Positive 6. Nice. That's number 2. Yes. Yeah, sure. Bella is the one that has to sign off on it. She said yes. Okay. She's going to go after I finish number 3. So if you want to go, got to go now.
Some happy years
Disco Inferno. Okay, number 3. That's a classic.
I remember that
Classic.
you said Doug
Yeah. That would have been a good one for a middle name for my children with Burn.
Disco.
Disco Burn.
Yes,
Inferno Burn.
And say I
Oh.
Inferno.
I don't know. Why not, right? Let's just make some stuff up. Could be. Okay.
Don't name your child.
Don't worry. We're done with children. All good. Okay.
Pets now. Pets. Yeah.
There you go. Sure. Well, my brother-in-law and his wife, almost soon-to-be wife, they got a dog and named it Ryder Sideburn. Yeah. Yes. We didn't do that with Allie. Allie is Albondiga Burn. We didn't give her a middle name. We should have, yeah. Well, we decided to get a dog. We were on a honeymoon in Spain eating albondigas. So that's why we named her Albondiga. We were eating meatballs in Spain.
But it's like a huge meatball.
They're delicious. Yeah. Now when I eat meatballs, well, usually I put Allie in her crate because, she sees the
I
meatballs.
just got a dog, and she has not stopped crying all night. I'm not gonna sleep. But
She a
I
baby
named her.
baby?
Yes, she's a baby baby. I named her after a character in Fast and Furious. Can you guess?
Okay. Well, but that's the actor. You're talking about like the name.
Yeah.
What's her name? Yeah. No, it's what's her name? Rodriguez's character. What is her name? Letty. Leticia. No. Oh, nice.
I've never watched any of them.
How can we rewrite? Can we finish this and we talk more about Fast and Furious? How do we rewrite? Thank you, Gabriel. How do we rewrite 32? How do you rewrite 32 with a 2? 2 to what power gives you 32? 2 to the 5th power is right. Remember, if you don't know, use your calculator, right? Try 2 to the 3rd power. That's 8. And keep going from there, right? Use the calculator to help. Bring down the 2x plus 5. Let's distribute it. Okay, what is 5 times 2x? 10x. And what's 5 times 5? 25. So that's our check mark. We're going to drop the bases now. And write 3x minus 3 equals 10x plus 25. I don't care if you move the x's to the right or to the left. It doesn't matter. Your choice. I'll move them to the left. So I get negative 7x minus 3 equals 25. Let's add 3. Did I do something wrong? I did something wrong. What did I do wrong?
I think that's what you have to do to
No, you don't have to. What did I do wrong? I did something wrong. Who can find it?
That's what I got.
This is what you got? Oh, so it's a fraction. That's fine. Fractions are okay.
Well, yeah.
It's okay if it's a fraction. Oh, it's not a fraction. I don't know why. Even if it was a fraction, it would be okay.
That's
So did you move it the other way? No. It's okay, Minerva. No. Do that way. That's fine. It's just you'd have negative 28, but then your 7 would be positive. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. You get the same thing. I was the one that was currently tripping.